Y'all, so this is DSoar hair. Y'all sent over a 24-inch lace front. I think it's 24 inches. I can't remember, but it will be listed in the description box below. This is the lace frontal wig. We're just gonna get it bone straight, okay? So this is how it's looking before I get it bone straight and everything. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna jump right into this hair video. And make sure you guys check out the description box once again. Okay, so we about to get this hair back straight. We finna get it back straight. It was super easy to put on because y'all, I only wear middle parts. So yeah, we just gonna put it back down the middle. We're not gonna glue it or nothing because y'all, this is just an update. I don't think I did was hook the clips up, and we're just gonna keep it rolling. Alright, okay gang, so as y'all can see, I got the hair back bone straight. This is my DSoar hair. It's still holding up pretty good. Like I said, this is 24 inches. 24 inches is super long on me. So if you guys want to check out DSoar hair, if you haven't watched my previous video on this hair, make sure you guys go back and watch the video on it, because you don't know what you're missing out on, okay? So yeah, I want to thank DSoar hair once again for sending this bomb wig, y'all. I absolutely love it. Like, sometimes I be forgetting that I got hair, so this like one of the ones that I totally forgot that I had, and it is super cute. So if you guys want to, you know, get you some DSoar, make sure you guys check them out, and make sure you guys check out my personal channel Renee as well. Okay, and this is just the update. You guys can see for yourself that the hair is still silky and the hair is still holding up pretty good. So shout out to DSoar hair. Okay, so this wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video, my queen babies. And you can also, like I said, go over to my personal channel Renee and subscribe to my beauty channel.